Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable low power auto recording on the DJI Mic 3. Let's begin. First of all, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom, like that, and then you want to enter transmitter settings. In transmitter settings, let's keep scrolling right until we'll see something called low power auto recording, and you will notice that actually by default this is enabled. So let's click that, and if you want to, you can always disable this function. Do note that auto recording will apply to all connected transmitters. But just for the purpose of keeping settings simple and as default as possible, I will enable it back. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!